The market might look calm, but this week's price action has given a clear signal. The next move could be big. Hello everyone, let's quickly decode this week's market outlook, what happened, what we missed, and what we can expect going forward. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you always stay informed. Nifty started the week with a bullish sentiment. In the first 4 trading sessions, the index remained positive to range bound. On Thursday, Nifty moved up to around 26,250, just short of touching the all-time high of 26,277. And on Friday, we saw a corrective or consolidation move. Throughout the week, declines kept getting bought, but strong buying was missing to conquer the all-time high. On the weekly scale, Nifty formed a bullish candle, but on the daily chart, a small-bodied candle clearly shows a tug-of-war between bulls and bears. The next leg of the rally will be decided here. What next? Nifty needs to hold above 26,000 for a fresh move towards 26,277 and then 26,400. On the downside, major support lies at 25,850. India VIX also spiked around 15% this week, from 13 to 13.70. This clearly signals more volatile moves ahead, especially with USD, INR and global indices also showing swings. Bank Nifty touched an all-time high of 59,440 during the week, but Friday's profit booking slowed the momentum. On the weekly scale, a bullish candle with long upper shadows indicates selling pressure at higher levels. The focus ahead is clear. Above 59,000, move towards 59,440 and then 60,000, support 58,500 and 58,000.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.